You want to recreate this viral car transition? All you need is a camera such as your iPhone or any other camera that you have. We are going to take 2 shots and we are going to use the free version of Capcut to edit. Just make sure that your panoramic roof is clean so that it looks nicer in the transition. Also make sure that the interior of your car looks nice and tidy. So then I'm going to place my camera somewhere here. You can also use a tripod and stick the tripod through your window, or you can just ask your friend to film it. I don't actually mount it, I'm just keeping it here in place. We are not going to drive the car, so it should be good to go. If necessary, you can adjust your magic arm and then you can frame that your shot looks somewhere like this. Then we press record for the first shot and we get in the car. So for the second shot I'm gonna get low, gonna hit record, start filming the sky and slowly tilt down, revealing the car. Now we're going to edit just using our phone. Open Capcut and start a new project and select your clips. Make sure that the car reveal shot is placed first and then you make the second clip an overlay. Drag this overlay to the beginning. You can erase this short clip. Now you can split the clip where you want it to begin and drag it to the beginning. Then select the top clip, tap freeze in the beginning and drag this freezed clip to where the panoramic roof is starting to move. Now select your second clip and go to mask. Choose the horizontal mask. You can rotate it by using 2 fingers. Drag it towards the beginning of your panoramic roof, and if you drag the white dot here, it will feather out. And make a keyframe here by tapping this button. Now move to where your panoramic roof is almost closed. Now drag your mask towards the end of your panoramic roof. The keyframe will be made automatically. Now go a little bit further and repeat the same process. Drag the white button to erase the feathering, and this is the result. If you want to learn how to make this epic car transition, make sure to watch this video right now.